Hello, welcome to Let's Talk About It. Today, we're going on a nature walk. Welcome to Let's Talk About It, a daily podcast about tacos. Today, however, we have a dramatic episode. Excuse me, sir and ma'am. I'm not assuming gender here. Today, at the end of the episode, we're going to vote to kill someone. I'm voting for Eli. I'm just telling you that right now.
No, they're going to vote at the end.
Sorry, I'm going to tell you guys now. I'm voting for Eli. So yeah, just stay tuned. We have a great nature walk and killing in front of us.
I'm Eli.
It's going on Student 72.
Was that your account?
Yeah.
I didn't know. Yesterday I watched a video of Andy Murphy on making enchiladas.
While we're on the subject,
I watched it last week though. I'm not even
I
kidding.
didn't watch any of it.
I watched Cole Greenmoth's Mario Kart highlight video. Cole, if you're watching, I thought your Mario Kart driving was subpar at best. You were pretty bad. You got like 6 points.
on the Mario
I
Kart
think
driver.
it's actually me I was the one.
You're terrible then. Okay, you need to know. I could have gotten first place all the time, especially at Rainbow Road. I like playing against Ava because she's really bad. We're not gonna vote for her off.
Yeah, we like Pepperton.
I go to Park Tutor School.
Uh-huh.
No, but he's not a lifer.
Okay.
Half a
He's
year
half
off.
a year off.
Yeah.
So 5th grade, you know how we had to get introduced by the year we came to Park Tutor? Alex Azar got introduced by coming in 3K, and that's a lie. It's fake news.
I came in the middle of pre-K. That does count.
I'm still high-key triggered about it.
She should be wearing a helmet.
Did you do that though? Aren't they like $130?
So these were $30 because they're ugly. You set them on fire? I tried setting them on fire. Why? It created an interesting smell, but it did not catch fire.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna push Eli so I can kill him now. What I plan to do is push him over the fence, as it is very shabby looking. At that point, he'll tumble down and hit a tree. I'll go do it.
But we're supposed to vote him off. Wait,
Nope.
Jack, would you be a lamb and tie my shoe?
I can't. I don't know how.
Lily, will you tie my shoe? Double knot? Yeah. Double knot. What is up there?
It took us a lot longer to finish overall.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's like everyone knows that, but no one's gonna not walk.
Ooh, thickums.
Thickums? I feel like that's something my mom would say, like, "Oh, sweetie, you're looking thickums."
No.
Hey,
Wild
which way is
peppers
it?
makes her call across the forest.
Alec vocal. Pepperton, but I want to do that too. Oh, sorry. Oh, look at all the fish. There's so many fish.
She's going way too fast. She's going way too fast.
Nice one, buddy. I know, thanks. Nice girls. Elijah, look back at it. Look. You need to introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Pemberton. I've been sober for 4 months. I don't like middle schoolers.
Good thing we're freshmen.
Oh, you're not? Oh, I didn't know.
All right, now we have to do the vote. All right, guys, it's time to do the vote.
Definitely not
I'm the only person who has a vote, so it's entirely my choice.
I need to vote too.
All right, fine. I vote Eli Anderson for death.
I vote Eli Anderson as well.
I vote Eli Anderson.
You're gone.
Because he keeps hitting my nipple. And it's so painful. Ow!
It's gonna rain.
So now that our nature walk is coming down to
Okay, it
an
adds
end,
to-
there's a couple of conclusions that I've come to form after this nature walk.
Look at your shirt.
First off, nature. What have you?
What have you?
So many exciting opportunities around the walk.
Does Jack talk too much?
Nonsense. Anyways. Hey,
How are we gonna end
Okay.
it? No, hey,
I'm only speaking.
scoot over a millimeter to the right. Back to the left. Back to the right.
Here we go.
Okay, go. How
So-
should we end it?
Here we go. So thank you for tuning in to our nature walk vlog today.
It's been pretty fun.
That was unnecessary, Lily. So just make sure to smash that like button if you like this
Subscribe
content.
down below.
If you want more content like this, just
Guys, I told you
smash.
not to do a
Okay,
long
so what do you want
outro.
to
Anderson, please watch this touching tribute.